How are you today? Today we are going to learn some of the things we normally use when we cook our food and what we normally drink by the time we walk up from bed. I personally go for this one, the milk. Okay, we call milk, both Tagalog and Bicol, gatas. Another one is the sugar. I don't normally go for white sugar. I go for palm sugar. And in Tagalog, we call it as asukal. And in Bicol, asukal. As you could see, it just differ the end letters L and R, changing asukal to asukal. As you could see, some of the translations of words, some of them, most of them are the same, both Tagalog and Bicol. Then we go with the salt. We call salt as asin, both Tagalog and Bicol. Another one is the soy sauce. Both Tagalog and Bicol, we call it as toyo. We have the oil. In Tagalog, we can say it as langis. In Bicol, lana. Another one is vinegar. We call vinegar both Tagalog, or rather we can say it both Tagalog and Bicol as suka. Right now I'm boiling water for my tea. Now we go on the things that we normally used. And this one, what do you call this one? We call this one as ladle. And both Tagalog and Bicol, sandok. And this one, what do you call this one? We call this thing as tongs or sipit. I have two kinds of tongs here. We have the long one and we have the short one. And if we're going to say it in Tagalog or Bicol, when we say short in Tagalog, maikli. In Bicol, halipot. Halipot. Maikli, halipot. The word long, when we're going to say it in Tagalog, halaba. Or rather, I'm sorry, mahaba. And in Bicol, halaba. Again, if it is a long one, long tongues, mahaba. And if it is a short tongues, or rather, if it is long and if it is short, halipot in Bicol, maiksi in Tagalog. Another one is this one. What do you call this one? This is a pillar. And in Tagalog, both Tagalog and Bicol, we call this as pambalat or pantalop. And the water is already done. It's already boiling. Right now, I just have to pour the water here on my tea. Perfect. Rinse my tea here. What do you call this one here? We call this one as kettle. And in Tagalog, we call this as takore. And in Bicol, we call this as initan ning tubig. Initan ning tubig. I'll just have to put it back. Then we go now to tray. We call this tray as bandejada in Tagalog, bandejado in Bicol. And this tray is made of wood. And if we're going to say it in Tagalog, gawa sa kahoy. And in Bicol, we just have to change the gawa to gibo. Gibo sa kahoy. And there is also another tray that is made of metal. And we call this thing as the metal bakal in Tagalog and Bicol. And if you're going to say it made in metal, in Tagalog, gawa sa bakal. In Bicol, gibo sa bakal. And we have another here. We call this as the cutting board. In Tagalog and Bicol, we call this as it's upside down again. Tadtaran in Tagalog, and in Bicol, tadtadan. That's why I cannot read it. It's upside down again. Another one is the colander. We call this thing in Tagalog as I have another calendar here. Panala or Salaan. Both Tagalog and Bicol, you can say it Panala and Salaan. I have here, I already taught you about this during in my previous video. We call this thing as knife, cuchillo. There are different kinds of knife that we use. We use the big one, we use the small one, we have the long one, we have the short one. It's up to you what you're going to use. And for sure, you're going to use scissor. And what we call scissor in Tagalog, we call Tagalog and Bicol also gunting. Scissor is called as, we can say it, gunting in Tagalog and Bicol. I just have to bring this back. Then we are going to have this. We normally use the casserole. And we call this in Tagalog casserole. It just vary in spelling, but it's still the same. We call this as casserole in Tagalog, and in Bicol, caldero. Caldero. And definitely we have a lid, and the lid is what we call as takip in Tagalog, and in Bicol, takop. So we just have to change the I to O. Takip, takop. Not so hard for you to remember. Sounds like it's just changing the letters I and O. Then we go with the frying pan. We call frying pan in Tagalog, kawali, and in Bicol, prituhan. So in Tagalog, we call frying pan as kawali and prituhan in Bicol. I just give you just the basic, some of the things that we normally use when we cook our food. There are those are still the same, like if we're talking about rice cooker, microwave, electric oven, stove, all of them are, we call it in that manner. There will be no translation. Again, thank you for always taking time to watch my video, and hope to see you again in my next video. One of my friend asked me why I'm doing this. There are just three reasons why I'm doing this. One, while I'm still able, I can still talk. I just wanted to share something that you can really learn. Number two, I really love and enjoy what I'm doing. And third, I'm doing this for my niece. Hi, this is for you. I just hope you have time to watch it and be able to learn from it. Have a great day and hope to see you again in my next video. God bless. Would you like some tea? Have a wonderful day.